That me have to tell you. So you see, you care where you want, just take that off of your mind, B. You hear that? Me not there in Jamaica, you not get nothing.
So what I say? When I see on the server man, me for run up in the server man.
Me never see you for run up, you know my name. You know my name. You know my name. Just like when you walk coming at the party, bold and brave. You could have said whatever you want to say. Just like when you're on the internet, you bad up yourself now. When you see me, you could have been say where you have to.
No, I'm afraid.
Why you never say it then? Why you come on the internet at all?
I'm afraid to it. Just come for
idiot man. Yeah, man. You what going on? That's why you leave me name out of your mouth. You understand? It happened with all for happen. 1 week now you stab me. And you're not called for find out if I'm going to get stitches in my team. If better, if nothing. You hear that? You have to talk about a little stab. Little stab my bum buckler. Eh?
Let me see.
Eh?
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. Are the attacking boss there, my people? The one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. I don't know what I mean, say attack. You know, so when me depend on my people, we are attacking. Are the attacking boss? See? Alright. So that video now, my people. All that you know, see. Dirty Dewey and Queenie again at it again. My people, all me have said, that one I look more serious now. That one I look different now. See? And you can hear Dewey did a cry out. Dewey did a ball out. And Dewey do mention, say, Queenie, knife him up, my people. So Queenie time him up. Really and truly. See? That's how we do it, say, all time own. But, Queenie, you do it? Well, my viewers and subscribers, honestly, I'm going to be truthful. You know, I tell myself, because from the other day, I see this thing, you know. I see this thing, I go on with them and do it job song. No, and Queenie job one after and said, do it. Near my road from this and that, from back we and do this and, you know what I mean, liquor all type of we and one heap of something. Queenie do state that in her song and do we attack, say, any woman in push for him thing, you know what I mean, them have to go down and one heap of something. You know what I mean, so Queenie don't leak out the wall, do it private things where him do. You know what I mean? And my people, me I go talk the truth now. We understand Queenie's situation. She a big woman for do it. You understand, could have been him mother or something. But that don't make a difference. You get what me I say? The age thing, if she dead, so she really love and him see, you know what I mean? Of course he can go and of course he can work out. And me talk these things already. But one of the sad part about it is, they do it there with Queenie because him love Queenie for who Queenie is, or him there with Queenie for the opportunity where him can get to get a trip to go over England, to go stay, to make a better life, or it was just natural love about the June Plum thing. These are things we have to look at. But based on the whole thing we illustrate right now, my people from deep, and you don't need a magnifying glass to see it, you know. You know what I mean? You don't need no drone for look into it and see it. You can definitely say Dewey wasn't in love. Queenie was the one who pushed the fire. You know what I mean? Queenie see him Joe Plum. Of course, Dewey there Jamaica suffer every day walking a dirty slippers on road and some look tight pants and even can't fit him good. You know what I mean? And him get a chance and get an opportunity. Come on, people, him a go take it. And it don't work. Because him get to go overseas, get to travel to England, Canada, a lot of different other countries, DR and those places where him never did a dream about. Queenie make it all happen for him. See, man, go do show Canada what the Queenie make it all happen, my people. You understand? But deep inside, Queenie is not his choice. It was all about the opportunity. Queenie, of course, she love him. She do fall for him, and she go as far as she do a wedding. She spend all of this money for wedding, my people. Do we not spend the money? Do we even have money for buy the cake? Much as she buy a bottle of wine and champagne for the wedding at the time, my people. You understand? Queenie do all of this. She love him. But deep inside, my people, it reached to a level where me I go say this now straight up, because this is not a joke thing no more. What I mean, I go call this not publicity stunt. This is real thing I go on in them life. See? Queenie, me understand your hurt. Listen to me, attacking boss, I tell you this. Me understand say you're hurt. But at time now for you realize and let go off of this thing with doing now. Me a man, you know. And me not like it. Me I tell you the truth, my people. You see? When I have a good woman, me believe say a man have a good woman, me a real man, me a not like a fake boy out there. If you have a woman and she not good, whether your wife or a woman in a relationship, let it go. Woman do the same. If you have a man, whether married husband or a whatever, and he not good for you, you know what I mean, and a good, let it go. See, for every man, every woman out there, God have somebody right for you. God create somebody for you. I just you for let go some people sometime, give yourself some space, give yourself some time to get yourself back together. I'm here telling you, you don't even know how God does make what fear did that just forward to you. You see me? Yeah. Queenie, you need to just let go this thing with this youth now. You need to look into your life and say, I play. Whatever, if him have something where him a push out of the June plum, a sweet or a nice out. But Queenie, this man no mean no good. Reality. And me be as a real man for talk this youth no mean no good. See, if Dewey see something out there where him say, yo, me and him good and him want go, then make him go on, Queenie. You look good for your big woman and me tell you that all the one, no matter what people want to say or you want cuss or what come out of your mouth. You're sexy, you're nice, you're clean. You look good for your big woman. And you treat the boy good. But see how you deal with him. If this youth was real, in the looking at himself and looking at him life, say, yo, you know what I mean? But the youth does not love your Queenie. This is a real thing. You think so if you go up on stage and boy your dagger and lift up, that is nothing. Love is how the man treat your Queenie for who you is. Take her to nice places. Even if doing our work, you see your money we are spend on him or give him in his pocket. If him love you, he might go hide and save a little piece out of it sometime. And one day he might go surprise you and carry you to a surprise place, a one nice restaurant. See, it's not all about posting these things on the on stage together or do these things advertisement. It'll benefit him. We now see when I take you some nice place, Valentine's, for your birthday and do this and say you want me to do this to Queenie. Queenie, let go this youth here. Make him go on out there go live. Because once he start go out there and nothing go on, him can know say yo, whatever. You know what I mean? In himself what tell say yo, me do it over and over and she give me the charges them so me can't keep on do it and disrespect her. You understand? And the woman do hurt. So people who are cuss her about she come on the media and embarrass herself, you don't understand what she a go through. You're not until she can get to let go and somebody really can talk to her and she let go, then she will realize. You know what I mean? You know if you understand this is how she express herself or her feeling on the media, it bill her. You know what I mean? And the media make we know because if they did have a life for them never did forward and say, yo, remember so when them get married, you know. The star was there, it was stream live on YouTube. So all of this out there, and when things do happen, this youth do things with them a video with other women and I put out there. So it look bad for her, so she have to come on the media express herself. She have a career too, we have to understand that, my people. And she's a strong woman. See me? Yo, this youth, big man thing youth is an embarrassment for other youth out there who would get real man who would get the opportunity and chance because a lot of youth out there were young just like you do, we are younger. But know so then that treat this woman good if they do love her. Because young youth out there we do love her same way. But you definitely youth, yes, you use the woman. See? No matter people me understand say, I'm gonna say Queenie Nife for me now. You get me? But people, when they reach to a level of frustration and this and that, yo, you don't understand people. Yo, me understand. I'm here to tell you this. That's why I go both ways now, my people. I go both ways. And I know say it two of them may be wrong, you know, my people. But if you look into it deep, people, look into it deep. Do you ever see where Dewey can come forward and say Queenie a bunny or him see Queenie with another man? But how much time things do happen where woman are reveal this to Dewey? The woman are feeling she have to be hurt. You see me? She have to be hurt. You don't stop the bias and tune in a like the woman because of some real man. Yo, I mean, like people, I feel this, you know, yo. You see me? Me feel this real thing. Because this youth a black traffic for man out there. A whole heap of woman me say, based on this, and them say, yo, then I want a Jamaican man, big woman, but because of this boy, yeah, him a black traffic for real man out there. A man need to be straight up with him and run him way. You see me? Youth is a clown. Big man thing. And while me I do that vlog, I just get people on a real level, yo, on a real the boy, yeah, you still look a clown, yeah, you what? You're black traffic for real man out there. Me I tell you this straight up, boy, do it. That's what you're doing, youth. You're a clown out yourself. With a clown master with up on your face, that's what you are, brother. Zin, that's what you are. You see me I say? Yo, people on a real level, yo. This is not joke. That's why I say it's my platform. This ain't a joke platform, you know. For us forward, if you, yo, my fans, my viewers, my subscribers, from a long time I don't know the attacking boss. When I hear me talk, I don't know me do my vlog them. That's why when some people for that talk about NEWLINK, you pop done what? Never. Because well, me I do this because how I feel and express myself. This enough to come straight up my body, boy. Yo, certain things do. You know what I mean, my people? Yo, this have to talk. And yo, for guide my people, them. You see me? You can black traffic for real, you out there. In the street. You know what I mean? Who really want a good woman. You see me, youth? And you're a clown. Queenie. Let go that same thing there. Big up yourself, mama. I'm not responsible nobody want to say. You see me? If you notice, me not care what nobody want to say. Comments, me never check when people disrespect me, you know, my people. If you disrespect me, certain we are go deep in your disrespect, you get black. I just say go. You see me? Because we control this. Me and my team control this. And I don't control this. You see me? I say? But people up on a real level, this same thing I name Dewey. You know what I mean? And me no response. If they want to go back together, or Queenie want to take him or whatever them don't care. Because what? But all me have to say, I just how me express myself. And when me see in front of my eyes. You see me? So, big up on the sell my people. I one team and I one dream and I one scheme. And I one attacking boss. Never change my people. Not difference. You see me? Just stay safe out there. And just do the right thing, my people. You understand? And remember to do like, do share, do comment. Like the video, my people. It's important. Why me tell like the video? The like keep the attacking boss active. The attack. Hey, Dewey, a straight attack, boy. Attack. No joke. No leniency. With the attack. Attacking boss said that. Never change. Never switch. You understand? People. Subscribe. Like. Share. Comment. Attacking boss. Peace out. Blessings. Big up.